I don't know about you, but there is something happening, and all of us, nobody's talking about, and nobody's maybe even pay attention. You see, when we talk about the evolution of human being, a lot of people think is about conspiracy, is about changing. But what is going on right now with AI, with technology and everything, for the moment it's something good. But you see, it is changing something within people without them even knowing. In an ancient Greek, they used two things to describe what I'm going to talk about. First, they talk about epitheme, what they call knowledge. Knowledge is a general fact. This is what GPT, Claude, AI will give you. But there is something more important than knowledge for human being. That is what they call Sophia. Sophia is wisdom. And I believe in our generation, we are improving in knowledge individually as a human being, but we are losing wisdom. Wisdom is your ability to know what to do, your ability to know how to apply the knowledge you have. You see, AI can give you general information about relationship, for example, but AI will not give you an accurate information about how to react, for example, in a circumstances or in an argument with your spouse. So I believe we have to really pay attention and keep doing what in the ancient time they used to do in order to increase their wisdom.